In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TastyFX to TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do here on the official website of TradingView, you want to first sign into your account, or of course create one if you don't have one yet, and then you want to hover over Products up top and click on Super Charts. This is going to take you onto their Super Charts over here, where you want to click on the Trading Panel down here in the bottom left, and this is going to open up this Trading Panel. You can put it full screen like this to be able to basically see the bigger picture. And then here you want to look for TastyFX. I would recommend clicking Show All Brokers, and then you can just go up here and type in Tasty. There we go. As you can see, TastyFX is over here. You can just click on it, and then here you'll be able to put in your TastyFX username and password, and then just click on this connect button. It's going to basically take you a few seconds for you to connect and confirm everything, and then you'll be successfully connected over here. You can minimize this again, and you'll be able to see that you actually now are connected to TastyFX, and you can basically start using it right on here on TradingView. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.